Do you love bread as much as we do, but feel terrible after eating it? Don't give up the blueberry muffins and cream cheese bagels just yet. Try this instead. Modern wheat, which has undergone genetic manipulation, contains higher levels of gluten with a different chemical structure than its original form. These altered proteins often cause inflammation and adverse reactions like digestive discomfort, bloating, water retention, and other symptoms. Enter spelt flour, a real game changer. Spelt is an ancient form of wheat that has not been genetically modified and has a lower gluten content. Due to its different structure, spelt gluten is more fragile and water-soluble, and therefore easier to digest than wheat gluten. This is why many can tolerate it without experiencing the same adverse reactions as they would with modern wheat. So, before you bid farewell to your beloved bread, give spelt flour a try. You can use spelt flour instead of wheat or all-purpose flour in most recipes, simply replacing it one-to-one. It behaves similarly to wheat flour and adds a delicious nutty and slightly sweet flavor. If you try baking with spelt flour, let us know how it works for you and share your best tips in the comments.